Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the week 9 lecture. Well, I've been a little bit behind, but we're just kind of going here and doing what we need to do. This week, you should have found your career-specific document that you're analyzed. Remember, it's real world. We discovered, and the assignment description says, here's how you get this. And if you want to ask somebody for one that you know, that's fine. Just remember, if you're in the medical field, it can't be anything with real information in it because that violates HIPAA. And so we are reading chapter 6 to find out how we can format this document. You can use a memo if you want. That's perfectly acceptable. If you want to format it another way, that's perfectly acceptable. But you're not writing an academic essay. I always like to say, no one's going to ask you to write an essay in the real world. They'll ask you to write a very specific type of document that you'll have to write and maybe, as a technical writer, organize it in a way that makes sense. But they're not going to say, hey, go write an essay on this. So what we're doing, I think, study signpost section of chapter 6, because that's really important. Those are like the highway signposts that you see. If you're coming from Corpus to San Antonio, to say, okay, exit 103 is a Pleasanton exit, take that. Exit 135 goes to Military Drive where all the shopping is. You see what I'm saying? And then find the document because it's not due this week, but it's going to keep you on track to get done, be on time to get the things done. Complete the discussion post. Don't forget the student response and any extra questions. Okay, that's it. And just information that Gemini told us about. This is very interesting. Hard to read. Academic essay, walls of words, technical writing, easy way, and how to signpost. Okay, that's just some little information in here. I don't have to talk a lot because at this point in the semester, we are just working on what we need to work on. If you have any questions specific to you, email them to me. Sorry about that. And if you have general questions, just put them in the discussion forum. Bye.